if you took a little bit of a break, because I threw like 100 seeds at you, I'm about to throw 100 more out here. Yeah, I have a lot of stuff to plant in a garden that's roughly 1,500 square feet. I don't know how realistic any of this is, but I bought what I like, and we're gonna go from there. So I'll show you a little bit more of what I got today. All right, we've got Craig's Grande jalapenos. That is an enormous jalapeno there in the front, so I'm excited about those. What don't you put jalapenos on? I mean, I don't like super hot things, but jalapenos are not super hot, and you can kind of adjust the temperature by how much of the seeds and the inside that you put into your food. So I'm excited about these. I have a couple of ideas for some recipes that I want to use them for. Not going to tell you what those are just yet, but stay tuned. We'll come back to those. Also have... Oh, okay. So these are ground cherries. I think that they are related to tomatillos because they're kind of like little baby versions of them, or at least visually they are. And Chinese lanterns, which may or may not be edible. And because I wasn't sure, I was like, I should buy some so I don't die. So these are non-death ground cherries that you can eat, and you know they're ready when they fall to the ground. So I've seen a bunch of videos online of people growing these and harvesting them, and this is just like a fun one that I wanted to try for nothing. I have no idea how they're going to taste or any of that. I'm just like, seems like something to add to all the other stuff that I'm experimenting with, you know, because why not? All right, next up, oh, snapdragons. Okay, surprise, I have flowers in here too. The more flowers that I have, the more pollinators I bring to the yard, and then the better all of my vegetables are going to be. So, and these are just beautiful. I've never seen snapdragons with like all of these spots on them and stuff before. I mean, if they hadn't come from Baker Creek, I might have almost thought that they were AI. So I'm really excited to see what these look like. And I'll probably be making some bouquets out of these too, just because I like to have fresh cut flowers in the house. So I'm really excited about those. Really excited about everything, really, but I couldn't tell. So good. Oh, banana peppers. These are like the ones that you get, I was gonna say that you get with Papa John's. But they're good. No, these aren't the same as Papa John's. Those are different. What do you call those? I don't remember. These are the ones that you put in your salad. Yes. Like the Mediterranean salad. They're good. Trust me, we're growing. Don't it? Oh, and that was a free seed. I completely missed this. I told you I didn't remember what I bought because it's been a while. So, okay, that was another one of their free seeds. I'll take it. Papa John's or not, they're good, I think. Yes. We have got some black garbanzo beans. I've never seen black garbanzo beans before. And I love hummus and I love falafel. So I know that there are other things that you can do with chickpeas. I get it. But, you know, just recently I was watching something online where they were showing how they were grown, and like that thought never even occurred to me. So, you know, it was kind of gearing up for the fact that these were on their way, but I forgot that they were black. So I'm excited to see how these work out. Yes. Black hummus. It's all an experiment at this point, so. Okay, we've got, some baby's breath. Again, this is another one that I'm planning for pollinators in the garden and for my cut flower bouquets. Baby Spark is normally white. I haven't seen it in pink. We'll see what we can do with it. Did I get anything normal from Baker Creek? I don't think I did. I saw shiny objects and clicked buy. So we've got some spoon tomatoes. Again, I thought that these were cool because they're like tiny. Look, they fit in a little spoon. Like they just dribble them into your mouth. For those recipes where you like need like smaller pieces of tomatoes and don't feel like cutting, I figured like these would be good for that. And they might even work like good, like just as a quick garnish or maybe like quick canning. I don't know. We're gonna figure it out. So spoon tomatoes on the list. And notice how everything is in my right now pile. So I've got a lot of planning to do. Did you know that I bought this much stuff?
No clue. We need a bigger garden.
We'll figure it out. All right, next up, some more peppers. These are Buena Mulata purple peppers. I can't remember if these are hot or not. I don't want to look it up. I think I want to just grow them and then like eat one and see what happens. They're purple. Beautiful. Love it. We've got, okay, so the chocolate cherry sunflowers. This was the closest thing that I could find to the Mexican sunflowers that my dad grew in his yard. We had collected a bunch of the seeds and threw them out in the yard to try to get like this huge like recreation of the garden that he had. And they didn't germinate for some reason. And I'm not sure why. And it's a little sad because I really want to have a piece of something from his garden in mine. But since we didn't have those left over, I figured I'd buy something similar. So these are pretty sentimental to me and I'm looking forward to seeing these come up. Got we had some cinnamon basil because you can't have too much basil. It's free. Thank you. I don't know how I keep missing this like enormously large red banner on the top of my seeds, but yeah, it's funny. I was like, I don't remember getting this, but it's basil, so okay. Yeah, I think I want to take some of my herbs and plant them out in front of the house. So if that truly smells like cinnamon, that would be nice to have out front. So I'm down for that. We'll do that. Are there more? Yes, there are more. We're almost there, but there are more. Next up, here's another one of the melons. This is a Japanese tiger. Again, another small melon, about palmish size, I think. I'm realizing that I probably need to construct a trellis or 2 or 10 in my backyard. Never done that before, so yeah, I'm looking at you, Mr. Cameraman. I need some help with that one. But yeah, those melons are good. So okay, this is not these are not seeds, it's ad Baker Creek, in case you'd like to sponsor my exactly second video. We've got Zulu peppers. This is another pepper that I've seen in several videos. Several videos, and yeah, I just wanted to try them because I kept seeing them and I was like, I bet you they're delicious. Again, bell peppers, can't really go wrong with those. I'll let you come and do a video with me sometime, just not this one because you'll eat all of my seeds. That'll make me sad. We've got some zinnias. This is, I caught it this time, free seed. I like zinnias. They're really pretty. I don't think I've ever seen this kind before. Persian carpet. I wonder if they grow in like a little tiny carpet. If they do, I'll replace my lawn with them, because that's one of my long-term goals for my yard, is not to have to get a lawnmower out there. So if I can replace grass with things that are pretty and attract bees, then, you know, maybe I'll try some of those for that. Okay, we're getting down to the end. I only feel a couple more things in here, you guys. Don't be sad. That's a reminder of how much money I spent, so I don't want to look at that right now. I've got yellow pear tomatoes. I do remember ordering these, and I remember seeing these in a video yesterday, I think, of somebody harvesting theirs, and they talked about how sweet and yummy they are. So excited about those. Excited about it all, really. We've got some lemongrass. I have grown lemongrass in the past. I've never done it from seed. I don't know how hard it is. That generally does not stop me from trying things. So lemongrass. And this might be the last one. Yeah, I think so. Last one is, oh, brown sugar tomatoes. Okay, that's a nice last one to go with. Yeah, I mean, that's probably not sugar from the tomato, if I had to guess. But this is probably another one where, like, the name, the whole brown sugar thing has like a significance that, you know, without making this video any longer, I'll tell you about it some other time. But yeah, just the name alone and the promise for sweet tomatoes was enough for me to grab these. All right, so that is my haul from Baker Creek. It's not all of the seeds that I have. It's just the ones that I hadn't looked at yet. And the worst part of this is that I've planted very, very few of these, and it's the beginning of February. So I got to get cracking. But one of the things that I'm going to be doing now that I have looked at all of my seeds and I'm excited about them and looking forward to seeing them in the yard is starting my seed starting. And I'm planning to do that with some winter sowing. So I can tell you really quick what that looks like. Guess I can also save that for another video too. Yeah, because we've been here for a few minutes now. But I hope you guys are as excited as I am about all of these wonderful seeds that I basically put all in the now category. Yeah, it's good that I don't have too much else to do this weekend. Stop it, cat. But yeah, that's going to be my next step. Starting to put some of these guys in dirt, and I will keep you posted on how they're going as we are growing. And I hope you come back to check on me. Oh, like, subscribe, like all those things that everybody else says, because they're important, because you might not do them if I don't remind you to do so. And then you can come back and see what I'm up to next. All right. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.